Want to flatten that belly and feel more confident? Forget the gimmicks. These are the 3 most effective exercises backed by results. Let's burn that belly fat the right way. Exercise number 1, mountain climbers. This full-body cardio move torches calories and targets your entire core. It increases your heart rate fast, which means more fat burn in less time. Exercise number 2, bicycle crunches. This classic move targets the upper and lower abs, plus your obliques, for a toned waistline. The twisting motion fires up deep core muscles and builds definition. Exercise number 3, plank with shoulder taps. This isn't just a static hold. The added shoulder taps challenge your stability, working your deep core muscles and burning belly fat even after the workout. Start with just 3 sets a day and stay consistent. Belly fat doesn't stand a chance. Hit that like button, subscribe, and join us for more powerful fitness tips.